Hey subbies, so yeah, what is this? I bet all you newer subscribers have no idea what the heck this is, right? And you probably have no idea what I'm doing with this either, huh? Can you see that? What is this weirdo doing with hair in these bags? Well, as promised, I am bringing to you an update on the locks that I repaired with my beard hair. So yeah, let's get to it. So I know many of you were not here, you didn't know that I existed way back when I actually found the need to repair some of my locks with my beard hair. They had weak spots and I was trying to figure out what would be the best way to repair my locks. I know some people had suggested tying knots in the locks. I didn't really want to do that, especially since that would normally mean that I would lose some length, right? To try to fill in the gaps. And then I know some other people were suggesting to use, I don't know if it's weave or synthetic hair or, you know, whatever, that hair to wrap around the lock, and that just didn't really seem like a viable option to me either. Not to mention that the hair would look completely different from my hair, you know. It'd be like silky and smooth, and then I mean, they're locks. Your locks never look silky and smooth, so I was like, yeah, that's not gonna happen. And then I thought about the fact, as I was stroking my beard hair and trying to figure out what I was gonna do to fix my locks, that maybe I should shave my beard and use that hair to fill in those gaps. Now, of course, my beard hair is a different texture than the hair that comes out of my scalp. That is true. But I still thought it was much better than any of the other options. So that's what I did. Check out my video, Seb Repairs His Beard Locks, I think is what I called it, to see what I did. Hey guys, so Betrayu is back, and I do hope this video, as always, finds you in a most relaxed and calm state. So today I will be beginning my reconstructive process for my locks, meaning I'm cutting off my beard and my goatee, and I'm going to use these hairs to strengthen some of the weaker spots in my locks that I incurred as a result of abstaining from retwisting. Translation, I didn't retwist for several months and now I have some weak spots in my locks. So I'm going to use this hair to put in those places and hopefully it will strengthen those areas. So at the end of the video, I told you that I saved a lot of the beard hair so that I would be able to use it should I encounter gaps in my locks later on along my lock journey, and I'm happy to report that I have not. Now, I also, more recently and that was a former beard, I cut that beard off, right? But more recently, you know, as I detangle this beard, and this beard is no joke, I will, after I like wash and condition and detangle, then I've been keeping some shedded hairs from this beard as well, just in case, you know, I get some weak spots. I always want to have, you know, hair on reserve in case I need to use it, even though I don't really need it anymore because I know how to take care of my locks now. I know exactly what to do. And I realized what was causing the thinning in those spots. It was when I wasn't retwisting and because my hair grows away from my locks. But I figured that out, so I haven't run into that problem anymore, but I still collect the hair just in case. Yeah, maybe I'm a borderline hoarder. So let's get to the locks. Let's see what they're looking like right now. I'm going to be looking in the mirror. But it was these 5 locks. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So can you tell, well, from a distance, can you tell that there's beard hair in them? Probably not, right? But of course, when you get up close, you can see that there are bulkier sections and you can tell that the hair is slightly different color and even texture if you really actually pay attention to the hairs. See how it's browner there? My beard hair always grows darker for some reason. So yeah, and you know, I thought about like dyeing my locks like a darker color so it would all blend in, but I just don't care that much. You know, I was much more concerned about not having this super thin, aka weak spot in my lock. Now that it's on the other end of the spectrum where it's not super thin but even a little bulky, you know, I just feel more comfortable. So the hair started to mesh in to each end, which is what I anticipated it would do. And you know, at first I was doing a lot of palm rolling because I wanted it to really mesh in. But then, I don't know, at some point I stopped worrying about it and the hairs have just kind of started to go in and merge naturally with the locks. So yeah, of course, you know, it's still different colors, right? Because the beard hair is darker. And as I said, I could always, you know, dye my locks black and you wouldn't be able to really tell unless you paid attention to the individual strands because the beard hair is coarser, so the strands are thicker. But yeah, it's not that big of a deal. So these locks that were repaired with my beard hair, these 5, they're doing amazing. And you know, I kind of sometimes forget that I even that I even did it because it happened so long ago. But yeah, I'm still collecting hair just in case I ever find another thin spot in my locks. One of the reasons that I do that is because I've noticed quite a few vets talk about, you know, getting thin spots in their locks. And I think some of those vets have gotten them because they've bleached their hair. Of course, since I've gotten locks, I've never bleached my locks. So maybe I can, you know, bypass getting those weak spots caused from that. But I got the hair on reserve just in case. So yeah, this is my update for these locks that were repaired with my former beard. the previous beard, not this beard, but the one before it. And let me know if you guys have any questions, maybe things I didn't cover in this video. But yeah, they're doing well. They're doing very well, and I'm still collecting hairs just in case I need to pull them and use them later. As always, please learn to love unconditionally because loving with conditions conditions the heart to not really love at all. Symmetry is out.